For today's recipe, I am making jerk chicken Alfredo pasta. Yes, you guys heard me, and it's probably your first time hearing a jerk chicken Alfredo pasta because I invented it. All right, that's what I feel like eating today. So let me show you guys what I'm using for today's recipe. Here I'll be using, I don't have the penne pasta, so I'm using this type of pasta. All right, I'm using half a box, which is 8 ounces. And here I have my chicken nice and clean. The chicken I'm using is boneless chicken thighs. I cleaned them with lime, vinegar, and salt. And here we have this jerk sauce and marinade that I'll be marinating the chicken with. All right, I used this before. It tastes absolutely delicious, so I'm trying it again for this recipe. Here we also have garlic powder, onion powder, and I will be using this classic Alfredo sauce. You can make your own if you like, obviously. For the salt, this is the salt we're using. Himalayan pink salt, Tony Sashier's seasoning, Creole seasoning. You will need organic olive oil, ground black pepper, thyme. If you have fresh thyme, you can use it. Butter. We have red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and 1 onion. So let's get to cooking, guys. Okay guys, I have the pasta water on the stove. We're going to add a few dashes of the salt in there. Then we're going to cover it, let it come to a boil. Just like that. Okay guys, while the pasta water is getting ready to boil, I am going to start by marinating the chicken. Now I do have a question for you guys. Do you guys like videos like this, or do you like it when I do the voiceover on top of them? Let me know which one works better for you guys. I like these better because I really get in depth to letting you guys know exactly what I'm doing, and you can feel the vibe, the sizzling in the background. But it's up to you guys. Let me know. First thing first, we're going to add some Himalayan salt on there. Next, we're adding Tony Sashier's seasoning. I'll say half tablespoon, half teaspoon of thyme, dry thyme, a 1/4 teaspoon of the ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of the onion powder, and half a teaspoon of garlic. Don't forget we have the jerk seasoning that we're going to be adding in. I'll say a 1/4 cup will do, maybe even less. Let's see. The smell of this jerk seasoning is so good. It's like I want to drink it. But I'll say a little bit under, I'll say a 1/4 cup. I'm adding a little bit more of the jerk seasoning, but it smells so good. So good. Whoever invented this is awesome. I don't know, it's giving me like a rummy, sweet, like raw honey smell. Like, it smells so good. It smells like alcohol mixed with honey and cinnamon. It smells so good. Now that we have our chicken nice and seasoned, we're going to let it sit there until our pasta's ready. So I'm going to let it marinate for, I'll say 10 to 15 minutes until my pasta's done. Our pasta water is boiling. We're going to add the pasta in. cover it, and we're going to let it cook. It shouldn't take more than 7 minutes to cook. So I'll see you guys in a few. Okay guys, the pasta is done. As you guys can see, I'm going to drain it. As y'all can see, I didn't add any oil to the pasta water because I told you guys I stopped doing that. That prevents the sauce from sticking onto the pasta. That's why I completely stopped adding oil to my pasta, even though it helps the pasta from sticking together. So while the pasta was boiling, I went ahead and chopped up my onion, bell peppers, and I have 2 garlic cloves here that I chopped myself. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons olive oil on here to cook the chicken, and this is nice and hot so we can have a nice crust onto the chicken. Oh yes, oh yes. Okay guys, my chicken is finally ready, and it's saucy, it's juicy, it is everything in the book. I don't know if you guys can see. The chicken is done, honey, and it's giving me all type of vibe, the flavor. Let me taste this because I can't resist looking at it. It looks so good. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely delicious. This, good vibe, good flavor. Food is life. That's all I can say. It's so good. Food is life right now. That's bae. That's bae. My chicken is bae. Ooh. Yes, Lord. Looks like I'm about to make tacos, but no, honey. We're eating some jerk chicken pasta. All right, y'all. I am about to cook the pasta. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter in here. Then we're going to add our onion, and also I'm adding in the bell peppers. We're going to cook the bell peppers and the onion until they're nice and tender. Then I'll add my garlic because I don't want the garlic to burn, so I'll add it in a few minutes. Okay, now I'm adding the garlic. All right. I added a little bit more butter, so I'll say 2 tablespoons of butter. Now you guys can see the garlic is nice and golden brown. Now I can pour in, ooh, smells so good. I can pour in the Alfredo sauce in. Oh yes, honey. Oh yes. Oh yes. So I added a little bit of water in here so I can get the remaining of the Alfredo sauce in. Just pour it in. Now this already has flavor, but we're going to take it up a notch. We're going to add some more seasoning to it. We're going to add Creole seasoning, a teaspoon, more garlic and onion powder, a teaspoon of each, okay? Garlic and onion powder, freshly cracked pepper, and some more salt. salt. Stir it together and give it a taste, of course. Ooh, creamy, just how we like it. Now I can go ahead and add my pasta. As y'all can see, the pasta didn't stick together, all right? It didn't stick at all, so that's good. Ooh, wee, child, this right here is a whole full course meal. Okay, it's saucy. It tastes absolutely divine. Oh, this is a vibe right there. I'm about to dive in. This tastes so good. And we haven't even put the chicken in. The chicken has all the flavors. Oh yes, honey. This right here is a vibe that I'm loving. Try this out. I hope you guys try it. Y'all know if I make something, I said it's good, okay? Try this out. You will love it. Love, love, love it. I didn't add any oil to the pasta while I was boiling it, so the sauce can just stick right on and make love. Make love to this pasta. All right, let's give that a taste. You know what I need? Some pepper flakes. I need some pepper flakes on here. Pepper flakes, honey, pepper flakes. Oh yes. Now we can add the chicken, guys. Ooh la 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 la. Yes. This chicken has all the flavors. And I'm not going to stir it yet. I just want to take a picture. I hope you guys try this out and make it for your family. They will ask for it every time because it is so delicious. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like for me, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.